And I begin in Allah's name because Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is the cause of all good causes. And while we reflect on all issues in life, you will see that without Allah being brought into the thought is incomplete. And generally you will find that when you shorten a thought and you don't take it to eternity, you lose its value. So anything that has a time stamp is not a good thing. But something that has an eternal intention is the best thing. So you will notice that whenever we think of anything, for example generosity, when we give charity to an orphan, our thought should be for eternity, not for a period of time. When we speak the truth, it should be for eternity. When we love each other, it should be for eternity. When we forgive, it should be for eternity. For if we do any of the above and say only for a period of time, then the goodness loses its value. And there is no eternity but Allah. And therefore all good is with Allah. And therefore it begs the question that when we speak of eternal good, without Allah there is no such thing as good. And therefore all our actions should be for qurbatan ilallah, for that is what brings us to what we call the eternal good. And when we think about it that way, you will see that the value system of our existence reaches its pinnacle of what Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala intended us to exist for.